When you sign up and create your store, you automatically get a 7-day free trial to explore the platform and start building everything. To keep your store active after the trial, you'll need to subscribe to a plan. Activating a plan is simple. At the bottom left corner of the admin, you'll see a trial notification showing how many days you have left. In there, you can click Select Plan to continue. Alternatively, you can subscribe through the top right menu. Open the menu and choose Start Your Subscription. This opens a dialog where you can choose your plan and billing period. After that, you'll be taken to the payment page where you can enter your company's payment card details. And once you've confirmed the payment, your subscription starts right away. If you want to compare the plans first, you can visit our website for full pricing and feature details.